Have you ever felt like you've hit rock bottom? Like the world has thrown everything it has at you, and you're just one hit away from staying down for good? We've all been there. That moment when you fall, when the plan shatters, when the darkness rolls in and the light seems so far away. It's the failed lift, the missed shot, the stumble that sends you to your knees. It feels like the end. The final chapter, game over. But what if it's not? What if that fall isn't the end, but the beginning of the most incredible story you will ever tell? What if the broken pieces aren't a sign of defeat, but the raw materials for building something stronger, something more resilient than ever before? Think about it. The greatest stories are not about never falling. They are about getting back up. They are about the boxer, dazed and beaten, finding the strength to rise one more time, tightening their gloves, ready for another round. It's about the runner who stumbles, not to quit, but to accelerate, to push harder than they ever thought possible, sprinting through the fog and into the light. This is the essence of a comeback. It's the quiet determination you see in a runner tying their shoes at sunrise, ready to reclaim their path. It's the fierce focus in eyes that open after a moment of darkness, signaling a rebirth. It's the symbolic act of sharpening a broken pencil, rewriting a failed plan, and turning a blank page into a new beginning. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every crack is an opportunity for light to get in. Look at nature, a plant growing through cracked concrete, a wilted flower standing tall after the rain, a tree regrowing its leaves after a harsh winter. Life doesn't just endure. It persists, it adapts, it overcomes, it finds a way. Your spirit is no different. It has that same power of persistence. It's the hand that brushes the dirt off an old trophy, ready to add another. It's the will to reforge the broken chain, to rebuild the torn page, to pick up the fallen pieces of the puzzle and put them back together. Not as they were, but better. The moments of struggle are what forge us. The heavy rain that stops just as you decide to step forward. The dark clouds that part to reveal the sun. The stormy sea that suddenly calms, bringing an inner peace you didn't know you had. These aren't just moments of relief. They are moments of revelation. They show you your own strength. When you fail, you learn. When you get knocked down, you learn how to stand up. Each wrong answer you erase is a step closer to the right one. Each failed attempt is a lesson that fuels your next success. The weightlifter who fails a lift doesn't walk away. They breathe, they refocus, they try again, they succeed. The basketball player who misses the shot doesn't stop shooting. They take the final shot and they make it. This is your comeback season. It's time to stop looking at the cracked mirror and see the warriors staring back. It is time to stop listening to the voice that says and then write over it, in bold letters, I will. You are the hiker reaching the peak after a brutal climb. You are the champion raising your head after tears. You are the surfer riding a huge wave after a wipeout. The past is just that. The past, it's a closed book titled Failure. Now, you hold a new one titled Comeback. It's a fresh white sheet, a new chapter, a sunrise over the city skyline. The pain, the sweat, the struggle, that is your fuel. It's the lightning strike that powers the generator. It's the fire that reforges the sword, making it stronger than before. Don't be afraid of the darkness. Be the torch that lights it up. Don't be stopped by the wall of doubt. Be the one who smashes right through it. Your heartbeat is the drum of your comeback. Your will is an unstoppable force. You are the hand reaching up through the darkness, breaking the chains, stepping out of the shadows and into the light. So, when you feel that exhaustion, when you think you have nothing left to give, remember this: you are one decision away from your comeback. One more step. One more breath. One more try. It's the moment you catch your breath and sprint again. The moment you pull yourself up from the cliff edge. The moment a flickering light becomes a powerful beam. This is your second chance. Your round 2. Your fresh start. Stand up, dust yourself off, and smile. Because the person who rises from the mud is always stronger than the one who is never knocked down. Your greatest victory is just on the other side of your hardest battle. Now go claim it. Thanks for watching. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear that their comeback is coming.